Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm beyond excited because I've stumbled upon what I believe is the best ChatGPT prompt formula. So if you are tired of getting generic or unclear responses, so stick around in this video because this formula will change the way you interact with ChatGPT like forever. Alright, so basically what makes this formula the best? So we're gonna break down into 5 key elements, which are role, context, question, tone, and format. So trust me, mastering these will make a world of difference in your ChatGPT conversation from now on. Alright, so first up, let's talk about role. So when you're crafting your prompt, consider the role you want ChatGPT to play in the conversation. So are you seeking information or brainstorming ideas or, just having a casual chat? So defining the role helps set the stage for a more focused and relevant response, okay? Alright, so now on to context. So providing a clear context is really, really crucial, right? So whether it's a specific topic, a scenario, or a problem you need help with, so make sure to give ChatGPT enough information to understand the context of your query. So, basically, the more details you're going to provide, the more accurate and helpful the responses are going to be. All right, so third one, we have question, right? So the question is the heart of your prompt, okay? So be specific and concise. So if you're looking for a detailed answer, so you should ask a detailed question for that. And if you are aiming for creativity, frame your question in a way that encourages a creative response. So, this all clarity will guide ChatGPT in delivering exactly what you're looking for, okay? And number 4, we have tone, right? So tone matters too. So consider the tone you want in the response, like whether it's formal, informal, or humorous, or even a specific style. So, by specifying the tone, you ensure that ChatGPT aligns with your communication style, making the interaction more engaging and enjoyable, okay? All right, so last but not least, we have format. So format means how do you want the response formatted? Are you looking for a list, maybe a paragraph, or step-by-step guide? So by defining the format, you make it easier for ChatGPT to structure its response in a way that suits your preferences, okay? All right, so now that we have covered each element, let me show you how to put all together, and I'll demonstrate everything with a perfect prompt, which will basically contains everything, It will contain role, context, question, tone, format. All right, so this is basically the prompt that contains everything. So we have role, which is customer support representative. Then we have context. So the context is a customer recently made a purchase from your online fashion retailer, but received the wrong item in their order, leading to frustration and disappointment. And the question is going to be, the customer is seeking assistance in resolving the issue and obtaining the correct item. They're also inquiring about the return process. The tones. So how we want the tone to be. So maintain a professional and empathetic tone, apologize for inconvenience, and assure the customer that will help them resolve the problem. And the format is basically a step-by-step guide, okay? So what is basically context? So context is providing, a customer has basically made purchase from the store and, he received the wrong order. So basically the question is going to be, the question is seeking assistance resolving the issue and obtaining the correct item. They are inquiring about return process. So this is basically, the purpose of this prompt. So if you go ahead and, merge all this and put it together in a single prompt, so it's going to look like this. All right, so now everything is set up. So this is basically our prompt, which contains everything: role, context, question, tone, and format. So now if I can go ahead and, just send message and see what kind of output ChatGPT is going to provide to me now. All right, so now check the detail out. So it's basically, first of all, giving us a subject. Then we have dear customer's name. So it's saying, I hope this message finds you well. I want to sincerely apologize for the inconvenience and frustration caused by receiving the wrong item. So, first of all, it basically is apologizing. Then we have rest assured we are committed to resolve. Then it's basically making them sure that, they're going to resolve the problem. Then these are the following steps they can do. You can log into your account, visit the order history page, select the incorrect order. So it has basically given all the, points that you can do in order to, rectify your order. Then we have, the conclusion part as well, which is as soon as we receive the incorrect item verifies condition, we will expedite the shipment and the correct item. So, it basically includes everything that we want from our prompt. So if you go ahead and compare this to the simple prompt, it does not contains all the context that we have, role, context, question, nothing. So the simple prompt is going to be: write an apologetic letter to your customer for the wrong order. So let's see that. There are no bullet points. There are no any orders. Is directly jumping into, I write, just apologize for the inconvenience. Please accept our deepest apologies. Basically, going all the way. There are no bullet points, no instructions how we can rectify the order and, basically no clear instruction in that. So this is how basically it makes the difference of, following the perfect prompt method. So yeah, this is basically a good example of how you can make your ChatGPT responses better by following the prompt formula that I told you just now. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.